Hey guys, welcome back to ShellTech. Sheldon here again. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right down below. Today I have another webcam review for you. The all-new Nexigo N960E 60fps Full HD webcam. This is my second look at a Nexigo 60fps webcam. I previously reviewed their N660P webcam, which turned out to be one of my favorite webcams that I looked at. This time, Nexigo was kind enough to send me their latest model for an honest review. What sets this apart from other webcams I've looked at is it actually has a built-in ring light and it's 60 FPS. So let's unbox, set up, and test the Nexigo N960E Full HD 1080p webcam. Taking a look at this all-new 60 FPS webcam, which is compatible with major operating systems and services like Facebook, Twitch, Zoom, YouTube. The Nexigo N960E runs for around $79 right now and includes a special ring light feature to provide sharp, smooth video calls, streaming, and recordings. Now opening up the well-made packaging of this webcam, we have a white inner box with the Nexigo logo and website info. Inside the box we have a warranty registration card to fill out within 14 days. Next, an extensive English manual that goes through the setup, features, and troubleshooting of the webcam. Beside the camera is an actual USB-C adapter. As USB-C becomes more standard on computers, it's nice that Nexigo provides one. Then in this white plastic bag we have the Nexigo N960 Full HD 1080p webcam itself. Some features of the camera itself is its 78.7 inch or 2 meter long USB-A cable, which also can be changed to a USB-C cable with included adapter. The camera sits on top of a flexible, clippable monitor mount that has a standard tripod mount. The clip can also be used as a desk stand. The webcam lens itself is a high quality glass and has a 2.0 megapixel CMOS image sensor that produces a 1920 by 1080 resolution at a max of 60 FPS. Instead of a manual focus like a lot of webcams use, this camera has an enhanced autofocus which helps to capture videos accurately and as true to life as possible. Two noise reduction and echo cancelling mics are also placed on either side of the lens enclosure. These highly sensitive mics allow you to be heard from a good distance. With built-in 360-degree rotation both right or left, and the camera able to be angled up and down, you can easily move your camera to any angle that you need for good video. I think that every webcam needs to have a privacy cover, and I'm surprised when I don't see one in other webcams I review. The N960E has a great built-in cover that slides back and forth to provide privacy, security, and peace of mind. But what sets this 60 FPS webcam apart from others is the ring light. It has 3 adjustable levels, low, medium, and high, so you can adjust the light output to best suit your needs. This webcam comes with a 1/4 standard tripod mount where you can screw in most tripods or adapters, making this camera more versatile to use either on your desk or your table. Although for the N960E, a tripod isn't included in the package. To set up, simply plug the webcam into a free USB port on your computer. No extra drivers or downloads are required, and it should connect to your webcam program easily. Most people will use their webcam in the traditional way on top of their monitor. The desktop clip holds the camera snug and secure, and with that long power cable you should have no problem reaching the back of your computer or USB hub. So let's check out and do a video and mic test of the 90-degree wide view Nexigo N960 60 FPS HD webcam. So here's a video test of the N960E webcam. I'm recording at 60 FPS using OBS Studio, and I'm also using an external mic, my trusty Fifine K678. I always suggest using an external mic so you can get the best possible sound out of your webcam. For the first part of this test, I am using just one overhead light, the one directly in the middle of my room, and you can see the glare on top of my head of that light. The ring light is off right now, but as you go through the 3 levels of brightness, starting from none to 1, 2, 3, you can see my face get lit up, and the back of the room sort of stays the same as a ring light should do. Seems like I like level maybe 1 on this camera, just a little bit of light onto my face, although 2 maybe good too, pretty good too actually, except for the glare on my head of course, and 3 might be a little bit too bright. Now taking a look at the autofocus for this camera, as you can see the shades of color change pretty fast and the focus is clear as I move my hand away from the camera. This seems pretty fast, responsive, and the picture looks pretty true to life. So let's check out the built-in mic and sound test of this webcam right now. Okay, now you listen to a small sound sample of the internal mics of this webcam. There's two mics, one on each side of the lens, and they're supposed to be noise canceling. Noise canceling means it's supposed to reduce the sound of all the ambient noise in your background. So how does it sound? Good, bad, so-so? Or should I just stick to an external mic with this webcam? I'll check it out and I'll get back to you about what I think in my wrap-up. And for my final test, I just wanted to use some more lighting in this room. I'm using my big softbox right behind me so you can see the amount of light reaching the camera, and it illuminates me much better for the camera. And yes, it's a little bit harsh on me, a little bright, but this is without the ring light on the camera, and this is the picture you would get without using the ring light. But turning the ring light on, level 1, you would see, or level 2, and level 3. And level 3 is the brightest light you're getting, so you can see the difference it makes compared to no light at all. But as I said, with any webcam, the more light you have in the room and the better light you have on your room, the better the webcam should look when recording or in Zoom calls or any way you're using that webcam. As you can see from my feature review, video, and sound tests, I found the N960E to be a highly capable and pretty good webcam. Just like my review of another Nexigo product, this camera is packed with useful features. Things I really liked have to be the very responsive autofocus, the 60 FPS video, which was pretty clear and true to life. The ring light with touch operation is a great feature that really lights up the subject, especially in low light conditions. And having a USB-C adapter really helps future-proof this cam. But I got to say the dual microphone was surprisingly good at picking up and projecting my voice clearly through this webcam. The only thing missing is a tripod to complete this outstanding package. So that was a look at the latest Nexigo N960E 60 FPS 1080p webcam. As always, if you'd like to pick one of these up for yourself, I will leave a link down below. Also, if you have any questions or comments about this webcam, leave them down below too. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my review of the Nexigo N960E webcam right now. Thanks for watching.